Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you a super cool project, a clap switch that lets you control devices with just a clap. These are the materials you will need to make this project: Arduino UNO, relay module, sound sensor, jumper wires and a cable. You also need a bulb holder, and a wire. Now let's make the connections. You will get the circuit diagram in the description, and from there you can connect the wires. After joining the wires, connect the cable from your PC to Arduino. First, open the computer and then go to any browser and search for Arduino IDE. Click on the first link and then go to the Windows option. Now I have already downloaded it. So I will just open the Arduino IDE software. After entering the software, on the top left corner, go to the Tools menu and select the port in which your board is connected to. Now again go to the Tools menu. Under the menu, select the Arduino UNO board. After doing that, copy paste the code from the description and just upload it. First, take the bulb holder and then the wire. Now fix the wire into the bulb holder. Then put the bulb into the holder. After that, from the two wires, cut one wire from the middle and place the both ends into the relay module. For the extra safety, I have insulated the back side of the relay module. Connect the plug to the power supply and on the switch. Now watch closely because I am going to test the system. When I clap, the bulb will on and after a short delay it automatically turns off. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.